Hey, Paul Pona here. Listen up. In this short video presentation, I will show you how you can create competition-crushing, professional-grade animated videos to grow your business without any expensive software apps, equipment, technical skills, or freelancers. With the new revolutionary all-inclusive VideoCreator app, you can produce world-class videos in all sizes, languages, and topics for any marketing goal in 3 easy steps. Select from an ever-growing library of hundreds of professional video templates from all the hottest and trending categories. Customize with your images, videos, and text to render out spectacular animated videos in minutes with zero technical experience. Wondering what type of videos you can create? Explainer videos, animated videos, logo reveals, video mock-ups, scroll stoppers, whiteboard videos, product presentations, live motion tracking along with 3D visual effects, e-commerce videos, video ads, social media, and any other type of video that you can imagine. VideoCreator is like your encyclopedia for video creation. Any video for any purpose, topic, or niche is available inside one dashboard without needing to search multiple video apps. And the best part, the videos are already sized for the specific social media and video platforms, so you can create and get them out onto the web in front of your prospects in mere minutes. Attract new customers, grow your brand, and turn your prospects into paying customers without ever having to buy multiple video apps or hiring expensive freelancers. No matter what type of business you run, VideoCreator can help you crush your competition and skyrocket your revenues. VideoCreator is a perfect choice for e-commerce, authors, realtors, local businesses, freelancers, affiliate marketers, bloggers, teachers, social media influencers, or anyone else looking to create videos faster and easier than ever before. No matter who you are or what type of video you need, there's a perfect video template for you inside VideoCreator. This is your complete solution for creating stunning videos for any purpose without any technical skills or experience. Need a video for your website? It's done for you within 60 seconds. Need videos for social media? We've got you covered. Need videos to promote your e-commerce store? It's super easy. Need videos to promote your local business? We've got hundreds of content-rich templates for exactly that. Need studio quality, motion tracked live action videos with hyper-realistic visual effects? That's just a few mouse clicks away. Better yet, want to make money selling the videos that you create? Well, with our included commercial license, you can create unlimited videos in any language and sell the videos to your clients online and offline and establish your own successful video agency. There is a huge demand for video. Every business wants a video but doesn't know how to create one without spending a ton of money and time. You can solve this problem and profit big. Animated videos like the ones that you can make in minutes with VideoCreator sell for $100 to $500 or more each on remote work freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and more. Selling just one video to a client, local business, or on freelancing websites will more than pay for your membership and rake in extra profits. VideoCreator is the only all-in-one video creation tool that you need to meet all your clients' needs. Unlike other video apps with restrictions, hidden rendering fees, you can build unlimited videos using our intuitive and easy-to-use dashboard without paying any monthly or yearly fees. Stand out from the crowd and communicate visually with your prospects with flair using all the mesmerizing animated videos that you can build in sonic speed. All the video tools and templates that you need are now at your fingertips inside one easy-to-use dashboard. Create dynamic motion animation videos with professional effects such as 3D object tracking, overlays, reflections, transitions, and visual effects in a single click without any time-consuming tasks such as rigging, editing, or spending months learning complex software. Everything is fully customizable with unlimited flexibility. Change the colors, fonts, text, animated elements, or add your own videos, logos, music, backgrounds, and more with one-click simplicity. As a part of this exclusive launch special, you can grab this for a low one-time price for a limited time. We're also including step-by-step video training so you can cut the learning curve and skyrocket your results and sales. Customer satisfaction is our #1 priority, so you get all the future software updates for 100% free. You never have to pay extra for new features that we release down the line. You are getting access to hundreds of video templates designed by world-class animators, copywriters, and designers, so you can create videos without any hassles. You will be saving thousands in monthly fees and subscription costs if you grab VideoCreator at this low one-time price. Millions of copyright-free images, videos, and music assets to spice up your videos are included without any extra costs. VideoCreator is hosted on the cloud backed by Amazon's award-winning cloud architecture, so your videos get rendered in a flash. You never have to download or install anything on your computer. VideoCreator is plug and play and works via any browser. For unlimited flexibility, you get total control to customize anything. Upload your music, images, videos, add your own text, to make your video a unique masterpiece. We guarantee that you can create professional eye-catching videos in minutes, or we will give you your money back. To make this an easy decision, your purchase is protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it out risk-free, and if you don't like what you see, get your money back, no questions asked. What you saw so far is just the tip of the iceberg. There are a ton of revolutionary features packed inside VideoCreator. Be sure to check out the demo video below to discover the true potential. Click the button below to get instant access. Grab VideoCreator now for a low one-time price and start creating unlimited videos forever. Take advantage of the special deal now before it expires. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So click on the button below to grab the special one-time pricing before we change it to a monthly subscription. Click on the button below right now so that you can actually get instant access, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.